So I know you all can't see anything, but it is light enough out here for me to see stuff. I'll get that rainwater out of it. But you all asked me to come into the dark woods, light a candle, and use my crucifix that I wear as a pendulum. So I'm going to light these candles. And here we are, just to show you that I'm in the dark woods. I should have brought a... Here's the mule. Oh, I know what I can do. Let's just see if this is a phone. There we go. There we go. So here is strange noises happening in the woods. But this is the woods, you see. And the moon is somewhere up there. The pumpkins are doing okay. How's this pumpkin doing in here? It's doing pretty good too. So let's call Sim Sam over. Sim Sam! Hey! Good boy. I'm gonna make this quick because I want to go back and watch shows. So here's the pendulum, here's the crucifix. Okay. Show me yes, which is always back and forth for me. Show me no, and that's a circular motion, counterclockwise. That's how it always works for me. This is not, I'm not contacting spirits, I'm not talking to the dead. This is just micro movements in my body that my subconscious makes. So this is not divination. I'm not, there's no hokey dokey spirits touching the crucifix or anything. I shouldn't have shook my hand. Anyways. Should the followers and viewers of this video learn how to say a Hail Mary? So it's back and forth. I should have a better setup, but let's do it again. Okay. So, is Islam a good religion? So that's no. Did divine revelation end with the Prophet Muhammad? That's a no. Did divine revelation end at the death of the last apostle, St. John, in the year 100? That's a yes. And is Mary the mother of God? I'm shaking, sorry, let's do it again. My hand's getting tired. Is Mary the mother of God? There's this warm breeze happening right now, if you see the candles. That's a yes. So, we learn that Islam is not a holy religion, that divine revelation ended before the Prophet Muhammad even existed. And with that said, the one true faith is the Catholic Church.